Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Worried about you.
Concerned about you.
I have a creative mind.
I am highly innovative.
I am hardworking.
I am diligent.
Can I help you?
May I be of assistance to you?
I work hard to reach my goals.
I strive hard to achieve my goals.
What's going on?
How are you doing?
I am sorry to tell you that.
I regret to inform you of.
Sorry for the bother.
I apologize for the inconvenience.
You are in.
Your application is approved.
Hope you are good.
Hope you are well.
I think.
In my opinion.
Just think about it.
Please consider the matter.
I want to ask about your family.
I want to inquire about your family.
Can you please check?
Can you please verify?
I need to go now.
I need to leave now.
I see something strange.
I observe something strange.
The meeting will start at 8 a.m.
The meeting will commence at 8 a.m.
Could you tell her?
Could you inform her?
You are looking beautiful.
You look elegant.
Thanks lot.
I appreciate your assistance.
I want to speak fluent English.
I desire to speak fluent English.